Good morning, students. In this video we will continue with exercise 2.4, question number 8. Question number 8 is half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Students, there is a herd of deer out of which half of the herd of deer is involved in grazing and 3/4 of the remaining. It means if we are having 20 deer in the herd, 10 are involved in grazing. Now there are 10 more. Suppose there are 20 deer in the herd, that is 20, out of which 10 are involved in grazing. Now what is the meaning of remaining? Remaining means out of 10 are busy in grazing and the remaining are 10. 3/4 of this 10 is involved in playing. That is 3/4 of 10. And next is 9 are involved in drinking water. In this way, firstly we will let the total number, total, half, then the remaining, and so on we will calculate. Now let us take the total number of deer in the herd. Let total number of deer in the herd is equal to X. Now as it is given that half of a herd of deer are grazing, it means number of deer grazing in the field. Half of the deer are grazing, so it will be X by 2. Now 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. Now as half of the herd is grazing, so the remaining will be equal to X total minus X by 2. It will be again X by 2. It means there are now X by 2 deer in the herd. Now 3/4 of the remaining, 3/4 of the remaining are X by 2. So deer playing nearby is equal to 3/4 of the remaining. 3/4 means 3/4 of remaining is X by 2. It means it is equal to 3/4 multiplied by X by 2, that is equal to 3X by 8.
Sure.
Now the rest 9 are drinking water. So the number of deer drinking water is equal to 9. Now according to question, the herd is divided into 3 parts, that is X by 2 deer are grazing, 3 3x by 8 deer are playing and 9 deer are drinking water. So we can say that x is equal to the sum of the deer grazing in the field, deer playing, and the number of deer drinking water, as there are three categories. So we can say that x is equal to, that is total deer are divided in grazing, that is x by 2, playing, that is 3x by 8, drinking water, that is 9. This is the required equation. Solve this equation as we did in the previous questions, that is take the LCM on the right side. The LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. 2 4s the 8, so 4 1s the 4, 4x plus 3x, 9 upon 1, so 9 8s the 72. Now it can be written as 7x plus 72. This 8 can be cross multiplied to this x, so it will be 8x. 8x minus 7x is equal to 72, or x is equal to 72. So the number of deer is equal to, x is equal to 72. Question number 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. As the question is, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So firstly we will take the age of granddaughter. Let present age of granddaughter is equal to x years. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter, so present age grandfather will be 10 times granddaughter's age. Granddaughter age is x year, so it will be 10x years. He is also 54 years older than her. Also, grandfather's age is 54 years older. It means x plus 54 years. Now, this is grandfather's age and this is also grandfather's age. So, obviously, the both ages will be equal. So, we can say that according to question, 10x is equal to x plus 54, as both are the ages of grandfather. So 10x minus x is equal to 54, 9x is equal to 54, and x is equal to 54 divided by 9, that is the value of x is 6. So we can say that present age granddaughter is equal to x is equal to 6 years and present age grandfather is equal to 10x, that is 10 multiplied by 6 is equal to 60 years. So present age of granddaughter is 6 years and grandfather is 60 years. Question number 10. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. Students, in this question again we will take firstly the son's age, as Aman's age is 3 times son's age. So let Aman's son age is equal to x years, and Aman's age will be 3 times son's age, so it will be 3x years. Next condition is 10 years ago he was. It means this is the condition about the past. So 10 years ago son's age is equal to x minus 10 years. As it is about the past, so we will subtract 10. And 10 years ago Aman's age is equal to present age. Aman is 3x years, so it will be 3x minus 10 years. The condition is 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. That is 10 years ago the son age was x minus 10 and Aman age was 3x minus 10. The condition is that 10 years ago Aman's age was 5 times his son's age. That is 5 times the son's age. Now the both are same. So simplify the question. Open the bracket, that is 5 multiplied by x is 5x minus 5 times the 50 is equal to 3x minus 10. Now transpose the variable terms to the left side, that is 5x minus 3x, and the constant terms to the right side, that is minus 10 plus 50. 2x is equal to 40 and x is equal to 40 divided by 2, that is 20. It means the value of x is 20, or you can say that the son's present age is x is equal to 20 years and Aman's age is 3x. So 3 multiplied by 20 is equal to 60 years. So the son's age is 20 years and Aman's age is 60 years. So students, this is all about exercise 2.4. Complete this exercise and ask your problems in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.